he's a bad guy. Alrighty, K2 Camera Boy here. We're going to First Amendment order to teach people respect our freedom to record. Look at this sign. There you go. Homie over there taking pictures already. Wow, we just got here and hey, cha-cha-cha-cha! Cha-cha-cha-cha! Over there. I'm telling you, don't do it. He's doing the doing. Go wow. Hey. Comeback of shame already back there, look. Homie over there still with the comeback of shame. And we just got here, wow.
What are you doing?
Film me.
Filming what?
None of your business.
What's that? What do you need?
I didn't ask you for help.
I can't even hear you. Where are you from?
My mom's wound?
Huh?
Where are you from?
I work here.
Oh, that sucks.
What are you doing?
Move on, dude. Kick rocks.
Come on, get off the property.
I'm not on your property, dummy.
I said stay off.
I'm not on your property, dummy. Tough guy. Go on your date, tough guy.
I can't even hear you. You're just mumbling.
Then watch your ear. You shouldn't be driving. You shouldn't be driving if you can hear. Do you know what's wrong with your employee there? He's having a meltdown. One 7 U 4285. Are you okay?
What's that?
Are you okay?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
You looking stressed.
I can't even hear you.
You look a little bit in distress.
Take that mask off.
You can hear me. I'm not gonna take it off. Take your helmet off.
I'm not talking to you.
Take your helmet off. Right? You see how stupid you sound? Yeah, it works like that. Who are you gonna show the footage to? Tell me.
You're gonna show that footage.
My wife tonight.
Your wife?
Yeah. What about you? I know you ain't filming, huh? Never mind. False alarm. Homie's having a meltdown of shame there, bro. What the heck?
How did that glass get right there?
I have no idea. What do you guys want?
Maybe people with hard hearing couldn't hear a truck behind them, so they crashed. They shouldn't be driving. What are you doing?
I work here. What are you doing?
For reals? Why would you?
What are you here for?
I don't like to disclose it because then I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. I don't know what to say.
Alright, so what are you doing here?
She's asking me for something. I don't know what she's saying.
We're just doing a little investigation.
Yes, that.
What's your position here? Why do you look at us like if we're nothing?
You started it.
I just asked what you're doing.
No, he started it.
I asked you what you were doing.
Hey man, go home.
No, I think I'll hang out.
Get out of here, man. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Isn't it time for you to go home?
What are you doing here?
You ain't a hero. You ain't gonna get a
I'm not
higher
a hero.
raise. You ain't gonna get a higher raise.
Not even a quarter, bro. Oh my god! I'm ready to go live and I'm ready to go on 360. Use that one, I just stand on you the footage. Are you okay? The sun is gonna fry your brain a little bit. Just letting you know. Just saying. Mr. Hero there. He is the hero sandwich. Wow. Not scared. Wow. Do you know what's going on? Do you know what's happening? You guys seem a little bit in distress. Oh, I think they're getting the education machine or something. Wow. I can't believe my eyes. She's lying. Don't believe her. Yep, she's getting educated, I think. I don't even think they're gonna work any orders and directives because they're panning right now. They're like cops planning type thing right there, you know what I'm saying? They got 4 trucks waiting in line and they're not even serving them. You need to get them on their way. Oh wow. Oh wow. Scary stuff. Oh, he's educating him. That's it. Oh, that's it. I don't know where the safety supervisor, but that guy's just standing in the middle right there. He can get hurt. Yes, what he's saying. Damn, my man there. Have a safe one. Professional there. No, aren't shame. Oh, cry baby there. She's telling him it's parate. He's a wait right there. Do you call them, bro? Or who do you call? Wow. Scary stuff. 8FZX400 Camry. 4 doors. SE. Yep, she's shaking her head. She's like, there's nothing we can do, you know what I'm saying? Look. You seen that? He almost got run over. You seen that? He almost got run over. Wow, you almost got hit, Grandpa. What's wrong with you? Then the ones who get blamed is the truck driver. Wow.
You guys have a great day.
Thank you. Hope you learned something today. Not to be nosy as well. If you see something, say something, so I can agree on that. Driver shame by grandfather. Wow. Yes, now it knows. Yep. Now grandpa's getting the education machine. That's it. Damn, the standing of shame. That's straight the standing of shame for y'all 3. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna look good. Oh my God. Yeah, I wouldn't like to be them. They get educated. I guess we're just gonna wait for the cops to pull up. Not sure if they're coming or not. Well, very scary people. Ignorance is scary, guys. I'll tell you that straight up. No, shame. You know what I mean. Wow. Wow. They said hi. Okay, hi. Well, I think they're gonna be standing here doing the everything a shame, so we just wait. Bye! Hope you learned something today. Later. Walk of shame. I don't know what he's gonna do with it. Probably a drive of shame and grandpa drive of shame. Wow. That's it. Embarrassing. Homie over there too is gonna do the everything in shame. That's it. We're done. We're done. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Drive of shame. Over there. That's it. Homie's suit right there. So if he does a drive of shame, I'll do it too. Okay, bye.
You guys recording?
Huh?
Why you guys recording?
This place right here?
Why?
Oh, he's a bad
Are
guy.
you guys recording?
Can't hear you.
I know you guys are recording or what?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Suck my
Do you have one? I bet a little chilito, huh?
ask your mom about it.
Yeah, little chilito. She probably you, bro. Oh, that fool's mad, bro. That fool's straight pissed. He is pissed over there talking smack. And then boldy, but he didn't say anything. It's over there too. Yeah. What a bunch of crybabies. Bro, he is crying. Crybabies right there calling PD. He goes in high. Oh, wow. Thought he was proud of it. Alright, well, Casey camera boy here. If something happened, then we turn it back on. If not, we leave it as is. Peace out.